Today is, this is replace an alternator on my daughter's '08 Mustang base. So it's the 4.0 liter. Car's getting old, having problems. So what's happening is the computer keeps freaking out, saying there's a battery problem, and at times the battery is going below voltage. It's not very consistent, and more than likely it's just a voltage regulator that's bad on this. But at this point, with this old of a car, 15-year-old car, you might as well replace the whole entire thing. So to start, I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the battery with a 10mm bolt. Okay, next remove the belt. I believe the belt is a 15. All right, 14. It's 15. So 14, 13 into 15. So you just simply push down with a screwdriver on this, and it'll release that. this bolt goes into the water jacket, so thread sealant on it. .4. Okay. We started the car. Alternator's in, running about 14.4 volts, which is good. And basically, the original alternator was running about 13.5. It wasn't really bad, but really what was happening is it was inconsistent, and it was the voltage regulator on it. Looking at it, it looks like you can't replace just the voltage regulator to replace the whole alternator. All done, ready to go.
So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell if you want some notifications. See you next time on Chasing Mustangs.
Thanks.
All right.
Great job.
Yeah, I see it like literally every day.